mag-wish mo lang, no? O no? Wish. Wish mo. Sabihin daw, ano? Gusto niyo malaman? Awag na. Ayaw na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, happy birthday! Oh, may message, I'm sure. Sige na. Pareho kayong ayaw.
Thank you lang sa lahat for coming. And bayaran yung mga kinain. Hindi pa ko yan ang catering. At saka walang mag-uwi ng candies and chocolates. Please!
Ubus na!
Ilang yun. Ilang tao lang ang ito. Thank you everybody. Thank you to my dad. Actually, I don't have a wish. I don't have a wish for myself. I don't have a wish for myself. I just have a wish for my dad. And my mom.
Oh, ayan na.
Never naman ako nag-wish for myself eh. And I never asked for anything. Siguro, nakiklaim ko na, I'm just a good person, kaya blessed ako. Kaya, for daddy lang, help, and more years. And thank you kasi, after 9 years, ngayon lang ulit ako nag-celebrate. And ngayon lang ako nag-celebrate ng medyo bongga. I never had an 18th birthday. I never had a 16th birthday. And hindi pa kami nagpakasal ng bongga ni Jojo. Pero ito na yon, wala nang susunod. Kaya make the most of it. No, thank you everybody talaga. Thank you to my friends from high school, college, Aerotel, and wala from airport eh. Ayun, maraming salamat. Kaya kayo nandito kasi sabi nga ni Lord eh, di ba? Many are called but few are chosen. Kayo yung malapit sa puso mo. Kahit na malayo ako, kayo yung close sa akin. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.